Okay, so now we're going to do multiplying to skip counting. So, skip counting ani sama macam campur the number yang kami multiply. So, this last time kami campur 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ani we're going to do it in 2. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. Kami guna jari ni. Okay, so I'll show you how we do this. Okay, so our learning objective and step to success sama macam yang multiplication one skip counting ato. So our lesson objective is fill in the blanks by counting in twos. So counting in twos sama macam apa teacher cakap awal-awal tadi yang ada 2, 4, 6 yang campur 2, campur 2, campur 2. Learn that multiplying is the same as groups of numbers. Step to success, learn that number times 2 is the same as number of groups of 2. Skip count by starting from 2. Continue counting in twos. Fill in the blanks. So, itu cara cakapnya dalam bahasa English. Tapi, lagi terbaik if teacher tunjukkan. So, let's see. So, multiplying is the same as groups. So, untuk ingati ani balik, we have 5 times 2. So, tadi awal-awal 5 times 1. So, 5, if you remember, is the number of groups. So, yang bulatan besar. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganya this time bukan times 1, but times 2. So artinya dalam satu group ada 2 circles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the same as 5 groups, 5 kumpulan of 2. Ada 2. So, 5 kumpulan ada 2. So, ini 5 kumpulan. Dalamnya ada 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So, 5 groups of 2 ini. We can also write it as a number. So, 5 kali 2. Jawapannya 10. So, 10. Yeah, we count the number all together. So, 5 times 2 sama macam 5 groups of 2 sama macam 10. So, ani tiga ani sama ni artinya. So, we can say 6 times 2 is the same as sama seperti 6 groups of 2. So, nya teacher tadi times ani tukar jadi groups of. 6 times 2, 6 groups of 2. 10 times 2, 10 groups of 2. 7 times 2, 7 groups of 2. 3 times 2, 3 groups of 2. So, di belakangnya semua 2. Pasal ini semua belakangnya 2. Yang kanya tukar nombor di depan. 6, 6, 10, 10, 7, 7, 3, 3. So, kamu tahu cara cari jawapannya? So, ani pun sama jawapannya tu. So, 6 times 2, 6 groups of 2, jawapannya 12. So, 12 ani kamu dapat cari guna buat yang big groups. Dalamnya ada circle yang damit. Atau you can use your fingers if you prefer. Ada yang kamu biasa guna yang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arah satu jari and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arah jari kedua. Ataupun you can use, up to you. Mana yang kamu suka. So, 10 times 2 is 10 groups of 2 and jawapannya 20. 7 times 2, 7 groups of 2, jawapannya 14. And then 3 times 2, 3 groups of 2, jawapannya 6. So, ani tiga-tiga ani yang ani. So, 6 times 2, 6 groups of 2, 12. Ani semua ni sama artinya. Okay. So, now you try. So, we're going to do 3 times 2. Apa isi the blanks and ani apa jawapannya. So, can you try first? And then pause dulu the video. When you're done, let's come back. You can look at the answer. Okay, so teacher sudah color code. Sini blue, sini blue. Nombor yang di depan, nombor yang di depan. So, the first number should be 3. Nombor di belakang, nombor di belakang. So 2, 2. And then sini jawapannya. So 3 times 2, kamu boleh guna jari 3 kali. So 1, 2, 1 kali. 3, 4, 2 kali. 5, 6, 3 kali. So artinya jawapan kami is 6. Atau kamu boleh buat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yang kamu biasa buat atau. Okay. Now, ani 8 times 2. So, berapa di sini should be? Berapa jawapannya semuanya? So, pause dulu, take your time. And then, when you're done, come back to the video. Okay, so let's check. So, 8. So, sini should be 8. 2. Sini should be 2. And then the answer, 8 times 2 should be 16. Okay, so counting in twos, ini sama macam multiplication of 2. So 2, the next number, campur 2. So 2 guna jari, lepas 2, 3, 4. So artinya the next number should be 4. So 4, 5, 6. 6, and then 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, so let's try one more. Di bawah ada 8. So we start with 8. 8, 9, 10. So 10, 11, 12. 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16. So if kamu tidak sure apa the next number, kamu boleh guna jari ani. Sama janya if kamu mau ke belakang. So, start dari sekiranya 14 ni kamu indah tahu. Ani blank. So, kamu boleh buat 16, 15, 14. Artinya jawapannya di sini 14. Okay, let's try. So, I'll show you how to fill in the blanks. So, sini we have 2. So, 2, we start with 2, 3, 4. Artinya sini is 4. 4, 5, 6. 6. So, ini 8, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay. Now, ini kami ke belakang. So, if kami mau ke belakang, kami start dari 8, we go back. 8, 7, 6. So, sini should be 6. And then, ke depan. If ke depan, 8, 9, 10. So, if kamu indah pasti guna jari atau, you can also write, apa? You can also do arrow. Ini minus 2. If ya ke depan, plus 2. So, ikut kamu lah. If kamu mau guna jari pun boleh. If kamu guna plus 2 minus 2 pun boleh. Mana saja yang kamu rasa lagi senang. So, ini 12 guna jari. 13, 14, 14. And then 16, 17, 18. 18. Okay. Now you try. So, we have 4 paling awal. You fill in apa yang arah blank ani. And then when you're done, play back the video ani lagi balik and then we'll find out the answer. Okay. So 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8. 8. And then ani ada 10 sudah. So 10, 11, 12. 12, 13, 14. Okay. So, one more time. We have 8 di tengah-tengah. So, di sini you're going to have to tulak 2. Di sini you're gonna have to campur 2. Okay. So, try first. Okay. So, dari 8, we're going to minus 2 atau kami guna jari. So 8, 7, 6. 6. Now kami campur. So 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. 16 ada sudah. So 16 and 16, 17, 18. 18. So, Ani, we're going to answer multiplication questions. Ani sama macam bila teacher sebelum lesson yang arah buku damit. Teacher bagi kamu soalan. So, try to figure this out. And then when you're done, you can check what the answer is. Okay, so 2 times 2, the answer is 4. 6 times 2, we can also use yang cara pen basar pen damit. So 6 times 2 is 6. So 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dalamnya ada 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So sini the answer should be 12. 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer here should be 6. Okay, so now you're going to do the exercise. Do page 113 and 114 in your workbook. Muka surat 113 sampai 114. So, teacher knows that this lesson is quite long. It's because kamu punya lesson is sejam setengah. Tapi if you think that this is macam luan barat, kamu mau teacher pecahkan dia punya video next time supaya satu video satu lesson, beritahu teacher suruh mama bapa kamu message teacher, boleh sikit-sikit saja lessonnya, jangan banyak lesson dalam satu video. Teacher pun kan mau cuba supaya kamu dapat belajar dengan baik lah. Okay, so if you have any problems, message teacher. Teacher boleh tolong kamu. Please stay safe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye, year 2.